Do you want to attract the love of your life? Discover the secret that no one tells you. Have you ever felt like true love is right at your fingertips, but it never seems to come? You are not alone. Today we are going to discover how you can reprogram your mind to attract the love you deserve. I will show you a step-by-step method that will allow you to change your perspective and open yourself to new possibilities. The first thing is to realize that the key to finding love is within you. Discover how to transform your life and attract authentic relationships. We can explore different aspects to improve your person, self-knowledge, discover your strengths, weaknesses, and values. Self-esteem, learning to love and value yourself. Effective communication, develop skills to express your needs and feelings. Healthy relationships, establish boundaries and build relationships based on mutual respect. Personal growth, continue learning and evolving as a person. Take care of yourself, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Develop self-esteem, believe in yourself and your value. Improve your social skills, communicate effectively, and be friendly. Visualize your ideal relationship, create a clear image and make a list of what you want in love and become that person. Maintain a positive attitude, focus on the good and enjoy the process. In summary, by working on your personal growth, you become more attractive to others and increase your chances of finding a healthy, long-lasting relationship. To ease your path, these are some of the practical exercises that are recommended to improve your self-esteem or help you create positive affirmations. Some of the ways are relaxation and mindfulness techniques that you can try. Deep breathing, inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath for 2 seconds and exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 6. Repeat several times. Guided meditation, there are many apps and online resources that offer guided meditations to reduce anxiety. Yoga and Tai Chi, these practices combine movement and breathing to promote relaxation and well-being. Mindfulness in daily life, practice mindfulness in everyday activities, such as eating, walking, or showering. Observe your thoughts and sensations without judging them. Visualization, imagine a quiet and relaxing place. Visualize yourself overcoming rejection situations calmly and confidently. According to some experts, the fear of rejection is very common and can be a big obstacle to finding love. Working on this together would be very beneficial. Here I propose some ideas to start managing the fear of rejection in your interpersonal relationships. Instead of criticizing yourself, be kind to yourself and recognize that we all experience rejection at some point. Expose yourself gradually, start with small social situations, and gradually increase the level of challenge. Celebrate small achievements, recognize and celebrate every step you take, no matter how small. Build a support network, surround yourself with people who support you and make you feel good. Practice acceptance, accept that rejection is a normal part of life and that it does not define your value as a person. The second step is to identify and eliminate limiting beliefs. Beliefs about love. Identify the negative beliefs you have about love and relationships. Replace those beliefs with positive affirmations. The third step is creative visualization. Create your ideal partner. Visualize your ideal partner in detail. Feel the emotions, indicates that they should feel the emotions that they would experience when being with that person. Transform your energy field to attract. The fourth step is manifestation. One of them is law of attraction. It explains in a simple way how the law of attraction works in the context of love. Something that also helps with manifestation is what we already mentioned in our Dream and Act video channel called Discover the Power of Visualization. We cover the topic of how to create a vision board using images that represent love and the type of relationship you want. The fifth step is to have positive language. Use powerful words. Emphasize the importance of using positive and motivating language when talking about yourself and love. Make daily affirmations. Recommend repeating positive affirmations daily. The sixth step is very important is to open your heart. Vulnerability. Talk about the importance of being vulnerable and allowing yourself to connect with others on a deeper level. Get out of your comfort zone. Dare to get out of your comfort zone and meet new people. The seventh and last step that we want to cover in this video is enjoy the process. Be patient. Remember that love is a journey, not a destination. And have trust, give yourself the opportunity to trust the process and enjoy the journey. Reprogramming your mind to find love is an exciting journey. By following these steps and maintaining a positive attitude, you will be closer to attracting the right person. Remember, love starts with yourself. Love and believe in yourself. Open your heart to the universe. Now it's your turn. Thank you to visit our channel Dream and Act. Let me know in the comments below. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little motivation. Together, we can turn dreams into reality. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep acting,